Hello, Chris the Pinball Noob here, and this is a quick video about an issue I'm running into with one of my upper flippers here, doing something I've seen somebody call machine gunning. Let me start a game real quick and I'll show you what I mean. Yeah, sounds like a machine gun. So let's jump under the playfield and see what's going on. So I'm kind of just getting started working on coil issues. Most of the coils in this machine looked good. I tested the ohms and they're looking all right. This one for this drop target bank was bad, so I've got a replacement on the way for that. And I've got this issue with the machine gunning coil that I just mentioned. From the bottom of the playfield, you see right flipper holds fine, left flipper not so much. So the first thing you want to do when testing coils is to check the resistance across these lugs. And that's what I did, and I was getting similar readings for the right and the left coil. The right is the one that's working and the left isn't. So I didn't think I had a short in the coil. That didn't seem to be the problem. And looking at the wires, the wires coming out of the coil, they look all right. I didn't see any broken ones. But upon closer inspection over here, see if I can actually show this. Let me pull a multimeter prod here. This wire is actually loose. So I need to resolder that. And I'll do that now and we'll see what happens. All right, I got that wire soldered in there nice and snug. And I did that with the game turned off, of course. And let's see what happens when we start a game. Right works. Left works. All right, that's one problem down. Thanks for watching.